Eye n'Ensoko TV, oboroso bw'umugusi.
Mwancho murigereria bw'Ensoko TV mbiyamana soko choregeta seni kiga asobutuko boiga bomwerio somotinyuga umutangari umwaka bw'ekiri bubere 2025 nemo rituko neria Jumamosi chitariki 30 neyamo na kwariganira senchira ya bene asemesa yamaye kuru Ensoko chinsa isato tunyariko batogosangana kurigereria nararia ya aenekiwe aseritukeriga na bwigo nararia ya barike baito bamangana basangiririe kurwase mambiare ngentambe nchenkuru kwa Clinton Ondigi aseri baga eria bakombwata cya kurwase studio ya kabere chinga kechigago chikwane kya marogine chipicha nguko chirara senchirengia togosabiro karanso ikobe na intukurubono oikomwe eria sengenche mesa yama ya kuru Ensoko chinsa isato achakira bono. Karibu sana mwancho murigeria bona maya chinsa isato togochaka kuruase ewadieri goma egotoka sensemo yebunge ya Kitutu Masaba ase county ya Nyamira asomoiga abo matanga oikiranegwa negati yabarai au kuruase orugongo rwagusi bakoragwa no mukonyi bumurai wiki amagia Jubilee Dr. Fred Matiang'i abaseneta babere kuruase county ya Kisii na area Nyamira negati abajumbe n'ababwatani abo bakomusira Fred Matiang'i aseganga yayo kuria oburai bwense ya Kenya aseba yasokire na gusaba abananchi kurwa sorongo rwagusi na bwigo abarai kwane kyango cha baramo kubwata chikura sobonge eriko musira umusike Fred Matiang'i aseganga yayo kuriya oburai bwense
muntu kabasabe petition abantu bari barega bamanye pinga ngaba kare nando marembende twabayire point ngaba barengera riboronge usibona baga ngaba gende barengera riboronge bacho ibyo musi tobegente kema bagende w'ekimumbu nchega n'abakuru n'abana baminto mu SP
Senator Senior Council umugusiga abantu bago defend abananchi bake. Why don't we put Fred Matiang'i in State House through your prayers and to say gabasai bagwati chikuru teri abana baminto bali bakonya gukama ombe pe tari bose yeyo na toroche yesera bosi kulinde ngoda kama bale mabera atane ko Nyamira county speaker una kwa rira mabera ayu on mwanyera abikiko sasa anachagora sana ali boy bombe taifa letu la Kenya
abantu basombe tukuru migoli bagati bakayuchira tone kwainu na chiba sichai igomo ko itera abantu batanango kama bale mtundura mabera chipale cha tangasi na ile mtete wana pasa na wai binto mwara kwa tumera ndio advertisement mora chipale cha tangasi cha kera mtuko ati no ile kilomita ya no irami se county ya lakini wale ndio asibilisho nani wakanyora jina 17 hivi ndio sibaka tote bali mu maene ndune zo mu kusi asa hiyo ndio tote ni maga Dr. Fred Matiang'i ndune zo mu kusi na ndio tote yote jibe kesi jigosa waje jigo chikore ji
mano mido sairona go batanga ababande nakwenda balengo kama bali kende bago kama eke usi engombe lile kebera ilikonyenywe ubageni pasa ho mungu bwana. Let's be honest, if Ruto was a good president kwane songa na libara kebeketi. If Ruto was a good president, who would have an issue with him? But when you kill people, then you are not a good president. When you are sharing state resources amongst your friends, you are not a good president. When the health sector is collapsing, then you are not a good president. When all the young children are not good, are going to school, you are not a good president. Why should I then vote for you?
Mwanchumurigera somo yugo yoyo Dr. Fred Matiang'i nigo aisokia na korokana komoche serikali ya Kenya Kwanza so gutaikirania opera yubuya na baiko kwene kya magendro na gwikirania chira ichiyarierete abananchi ase asabire ugosirwa kurwase abagusi igati abananchi n'abarai busio bwesabari yaye yokurigia kora ensi ya Kenya.
Kwa kirana ki ikazino bako kere gazne yabo uso unataka hivyo ya sasa tuje wasoe vitutuma sasa bana watu mwenyete ngaono atwaro ile ngazini nzozi national ngoro tigendo kiere mogo za kwele sisi ipenge ntiko tipale icho kwa ngalo tewa echimo digeria advertisement so obo 17 tipale 17 so itune bisinzi ndo kwa ndo ito getapale Você entende isso? Agora não é que todo tarde, aí eu tô aí, tudo certo. Tu tá aqui parando? É bem teve, tu tô aí também na mana. Ah, vai lá, vai lá, vai fazer tudo na mira. Mas teve que essa mano, vai me tocar. Enca que ona aí kire, tu vai ter banho com ele. Você não tá igual? Ngo chaka tu liga na mira. Inje chaka como sangue de cano. Kuga todo visia jubilita ya 19, matinyo o kamera. Tuigoreni akisi ngati chana kumera no bara na bo visuals ba jubi no tora twins tuigorega to chake omura ba mi tumura sibike ndio wata ne kyo bwen na kinda o kambi ni gorege ya kendo ndamani mo tratore era inie ya mo neito toko una ba to bale so no tali boy neito toko asuna ba to bale nchina ngai na tire jubili na ile meremo na masikani uhuru ogambete nse Mundo kambile nzi miaka iko mi president. Umoro kia maskani. Umire pake sabantu baso. Muranga, musangerekana. Ontebi ngaga muranga, nainche no michuki ajete, aga ngato leranga, nayo ujukara ndike, nayo ujukara to buganga. Aga ndelikian ko ile muranga. Ali ali ile simi chuki atolete. Ninchi chuku atolero. Atebe bantu amabo, umwana oyo tuakore miro manere, no muntu akore miro. Mumu gatisi akonyeze. Na numa ya ontelanga ko wen tamo chitanda nyara. Wa ndo ami. Oke ndo busio, yesai na robo, ne robo to como que. Quando tayo na pasta to somene bibiga. Ese teria mondonde, mondo yubate te to DJ kan diri mu ko ai. Agora o tiana la bantu mo pare ga na nchira pare ga nchi manyete. Kenenge o kamanyenge ndo kamanye wa ko re se ito ya nune Echire mi que todo yo. Mana otar ko aga entonces mana ko uno ba voy a botar que tiene que necesitar. Ona ba to ande wale gari apa ile minimo ko ba ko banga bo nachibara. Ako na ko ga ko yo. Tete gas. E gas yo ba ne robo terio ando aquí e gas ye ba ndo le gas ya. Ama chibu ao. Kwa gende para ko ra chibas jire yero ko ra ai ma terna ringa na chibas ye. Ukiota que to jo ko yolera. Ele ouvi. Nebitina byoka. Mano, guardar na mano. Abantu baminto mfole legende. Barandi baminto na bakabekanisa. Tokulera abantu baito. Abantu baito to baito kwanje kwatana nwa. Magana ya korwa abenye kumya koja kusiga nindebi. Ebine bintu byo kwatana na abantu baito. Na mulio none chingase choka chachake rokwana magana ya. Oyo mati yangu bako bwatu isobo kusiba kwatana na babusi bamwabo. Kita bantu ane bali ba origi kwa kweli za kuvinga. Na kiata menye tio. So onye niga se te sagocha aba usingo na ke linje una mogo ndebi una barali ba usiba gontebi na barandi ya una ba ndebi ko to komena to ana chire kina. Kete mwana chenge enda bosio.
Tuskabusio mwanju murigaria ikiombeka mogetari ya serikali nigo bono kiarigirie okubwaterana ne obisio mosorio mone bwa serikali birenjere ya mokorasio roboti ru erengete goikia busio bwe bunge enene gokwandra emechando abana bake bagwetera handemo nabo banyare ko baba kubetererigwa bweso ya sechigasi kwegenderia sobugima na gokonya uchumi gokina chingaki babwente ko base chiskuru nigo baringi ko yakwanaiga hasumu bagani yomo imemo chubo songo kero bari kurigia gosangeria ebirengereri na kurotota magendro yogendrete ase sekta yechae na boigo ensemeria yokoia amagena ase abana bange banyare ko bagotiga amasomo ne chiskuru bweso ya ase emereme.
ACSER is accelerating action for the elimination of child labor in agricultural value chains in Africa, And here in Kenya, we are in the agricultural sector, particularly in the tea and coffee sectors. Now, we are very delighted to be in Kisii today. We are having a delegates meeting where we are trying to validate a cooperative report that we have just concluded. It is a needs assessment report for cooperatives in Kisii. This has also been done in a few other counties that deal particularly with tea and coffee, that is Meru, Nyeri. We are now in Kisii, and after this we will be headed to Kericho. The reason why we are doing this is because we, as a project, our main mandate is to work very closely with both the national government and the county governments in the elimination of child labor. And we have flagged down the cooperatives as a major partner in this journey. And to be able to utilize this, we have to have a real picture of where the cooperatives are, their needs in terms of being able to work together with the governments in the eradication of child labor. And so today, that report has been done, and we are here with the people of Kisii to validate the findings and to be able to work closely to implement the results or the recommendations of the reports.
One of the reasons we're here today is that we're validating this Excel project that is looking into the interventions that are supposed to be put in place to ensure that issues of child labor are mitigated in Kisii. For instance, in sectors like mining, we have Tabaka soapstone, for instance, where you'll get children being involved. You'll get that some parents are sending their children to carry bricks as a way of making livelihood. So we need to look into that, such that farmers in Kisii or parents in Kisii are given alternative ways of making a living outside exposing their children who are supposed to be in school into issues of raising money for themselves.
Tuguska bosio mwanchumo rigereria se orboti rokobwatia nigobono kubwatikana nobotaka obwere obo bwanyara koba bokobwatirania chiamate chokonyora wensa se county Homa Bay kirira bana banyaruka konyara koba bagwetera amakongu kirobagendrete nechisemi chiabo asokoborwa nebitamba byo bachanu na kigiairire serikali ya county ya Homa Bay koriya kubwatirana ne factory ya Galentine kya unencheremo yogochekoroise bitamba byo bachanu chimilioni 30 iligo chikobakonya aborki 53 iligo chikobakonya aborku abo kwegendria nechisemi chiabo.
Our county continues to record one of the highest teenage pregnancy rates in Kenya. In 2024 alone, more than 17,000 teenage girls became pregnant, accounting for about 22% of all reported pregnancies in the county. Breaking this cycle requires more than good intention. It requires practical, sustainable solutions. This is exactly what this factory represents. Galentine Care Limited is not a charity. It is a social enterprise built on understanding that dignity and development must go together. By manufacturing high-quality sanitary pads locally, making them affordable, and reinvesting revenues into community empowerment, this initiative addresses period poverty while strengthening the local economy.
It is our belief at GalCare that women's periods should not be reduced to charity. We know women experience periods every month. It's a natural phenomenon. When you reduce to charity, it means you are doing a favor to a woman. Women should be empowered to access the sanitary towels, but also experience periods with dignity. So when we say it's a social enterprise, it means, therefore, we are going to improve access, make it affordable, while at the same time reinvesting whatever income that we generate from the activity to community services.
But this initiative that has been brought here is monumental. And the reason it is monumental, it is not just a business initiative, but it responds to a very big and grave need for women in this country. I have shared my story before, and a lot of people think that I make it up. Many of us women know, even here where we are, there's a woman who wanted to attend this meeting and can't attend because of periods. And when we say it, people don't understand. And because of that, I have brought a bill in Parliament called the Family Reproductive Health Care Bill. And one of the things that we are doing is we want the government to set up things like this in all our communities so that sanitary pads are availed cheaper and easier for our girls.
Toska wasio mwancho murigereria ekiombe kia aborokia kia nat horosagia uri kaunti ya Machakos niko kiene kiobochori emambe ya rero ase homogacho monene we ekiombe kyo hanyarako bakagwesokia na gotogyo bochori obubu marembe bwaene kiwe asaburia baraibari bachori banyarako babakobeka emiroberio yogosira ebirengererio namaganio y'aborokia abego kwene kia aborokia wankonyara bare chisemi chisaine chinga kecho niko baburirie serikali ebeke emiroberio yokobwatoka chibesa gochiase chisukuru erio emiroberio chisemi echikone kiwase nchirerengia
in Machakos branch, and I want to take this opportunity to thank all the leaders who are with me here in Machakos. We are happy that we are celebrating Machakos NAT branch for doing a very successful election. We understand that today was the AGM 2026 for Machakos NAT branch, whose agenda was elections. And the leaders I have here bear me witness that Machakos branch has demonstrated a rare poignancy of unity, where from yesterday, because it is yesterday we did nominations, and this morning they showed the world that they are able to conduct very, very successful democratic elections. As the Kenya National Union of Teachers, we are saying this, that it is the responsibility of the parent to ensure that those students report to the schools of their choices. And then we're asking the government, children or even students do not report to school to stay. They report to learn. They do not report for roll calls. They report to be accommodated, to learn, to take part in active learning. So we are saying, let the government send monies to these schools. We do not want the complaint that students are getting to schools and then the schools are lacking facilities to accommodate the students. Because schools need food. Schools need mattresses. Schools need beds. And school needs food and many other things. So it is upon the government to walk its talk.
Wanchumo rigereria tutarasika soroboti ronde nigo tokomanyigwa nigegati ya barimu 15 banyarako baba kubwatira nigwa somo basoka no mabebwe paro oyo onekia igari ya matatu ase para ya Murang'a Road Primary School konyarako ba kego siria oboroso na gutuma abarenge ase egeitekyo aborokia abo barenge tugikirania obochoria ase ekyombekyo kya natorosagie rwe county ya Nairobi 15 na tukumanyigwa numurikito Linet Nyambane nigo bono agotebanga gwikira boniga aborokiwa abosaborokia 15 nigo banyarako bakobwatira nigo ase umubasokano oyo kero baganyirite gwikirania obochori bwa base kyombe kya nat orosagia rwe county ya Nairobi ase 15 abo bagotebanga nigo banyarako bagotigerwa chingo machintindi yanyarako bagikoirera osiria amagimabo tuskabosio soroboti ronde hegati ya barai ense kiama kia Wiper Patriotic Front abo bachore kurwa sensemo ya Machakos nigo baesokire na komocha mugavana we county yo Mheshimiwa Vinyandeti ase hokora emeroberio yogotagura wechinyomba no kuganyiko kwa bananchi asensemo ya Mavoko ase baruro kuboria gochia ase serikali ya county kwene kia bunango tegerere birengerere bya bananchi etaraikirania meroberio ende yonse ase boigo ba musabiro muraiwe kiama kia Wiper Mheshimiwa Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka nyarikoba kagokora hege karo no mugavana we county ya Machakos ilikwene kia buno bokoreri obuyango ikira buraso abananchi.
Kuna askari ni nani? Si ni gavana? Gavana wa Machakos anaitwa nani? Ni nani ana approve manyumba ijengwe? Ni nani approve lands zipeanwe title deed? Ni nani anaambia KCB bomoleeni watu? Ni nani anaambia numerical machine complex bomoleeni watu? Sasa mbona mnapotosha my party leader hapa? Anaenda kuongea vitu pale na unajua ukweli. Stop being covered. My party leader, please listen to us. We have institutional memory of Mavoko. Ukitaka the back and the front side of the hand, we will give you. But if you want to be misled, follow that person.
Shule zina run na resources. Na sababu wazazi wameshindwa kupeleka watoto, it is not that they don't like their children. Uchumi ndio inafinya wazazi, unapata hawana pesa ya kupeleka watoto. Kwa hivyo Mr. President, ukituma watoto ni sawa, unaweza sema waende bila uniform. But wakifika shule watakula nini? Watasomeshwa na nani? Na already shule kama hii ya Ngwata nimesikia iko na 4,000 students. Wakati utawaongeza, haujapeana pesa ya capitation, haujapeana pesa ya walimu, wewe president una expect watoto wakasome na nini?
Wanchumurigaria abwo no tukwira umutumo mutangariga semesa ya magia kurwa ensoko chinsa isa tutuskare kurana tura sensemo ya kabere togendra gosangamange.
Eye n'Ensoko TV uboroso bw'umugusi.
Omukubyo neritwo abagenwa abange kurwa chikansa bakumirana na komotogia omonene wetera amatera amansu ibibungo naboigo amarandia. Imegata seni Ensoko TV tuchikumirana keraritwo rya Jumapili jakira chinsa 12 cha mambia weka chinsa inye zinyari komotogia munguru naboigo komoterera nanche Diana Ndemo imegata seni Ensoko TV.
Mungu amefanya, ni Mungu amefanya, sio mimi. Ni Mungu ametenda, ni Mungu ametenda, sio mimi. Ni Mungu amefanya, ni Mungu amefanya, hivi nilivyo mimi. Ni Mungu amefanya, sio mimi.
Abakoro bagateba iga amatiratira ngurige nyabinge aninya kubitinge suguta ugutambuka na itimo koboko amanda gitere igonaki umukungu bwenyangi niga kurigigwa getango getayo gwikonyo.
Iyo di tarumbeta ya pili ekinege chule ya gatatu wewe uyo kobugibule kiderebe sakogwa eba koboria kajomo ngino yego kuona korwa Ensoko TV oboroso bwomogusi. Ensoko TV oboroso bwomogusi. Yani karibu kobegete TV yao nyomba igokorigereria kende gyose getayo yani mokuna nonye ne irio erigereti igoro yani mbari kobwa mbabwati mangana agwanchereria mbabwati mangana ari okobiza gose yogo kenga ni yoko menderania ebago soki kerikerororo.
Ensengongo ibere kera etageka na kera ensa amangana maya nigo agwateka nimbe ngotuka gosaka nabo igokumanya ayarabe gagwateka korwa ase omuchomo neno Nairobi erietariane Linet Nyambane.
Eye n'Ensoko TV uboroso bw'umugusi.
Wanchumurigaria karibu sana sensemiga ya kabere yemesa yema yakuru soko chinsa isato biamona soko kandrago sangana intwe abono togusika bosia soroboti rukubwatia igati yabarai abako koboke serikali ya Kenya kwanza igoba esokire na korokana komo chinsemo helio kwameria serikali ase okorokia obwoba kiro hensi ya Kenya ganta kuyari gane bosi obachori bonno mwaka bwechiri bubere berongebere na isano na ibere nigobari ngiko yakwanega sensemo ya Kibwezi sensemo ya Ukambani bakorogo no mujumbe bwensemo yo mwingi mutuse mokonye bene bomurai bwense Faruk Kibet batebirenga higati yabarai kurwa sensemo elio kwameria serikali abo basoete bachieta se chiabisi chekiombe kitendera tobachori ne chimbebe aiga Kenya helio kurwa amachiko ne kiorokerio buna tibale roberia bosibo bachori bonana.
Hii program ambayo mnaona hapa sahi ya empowerment ni ile program William Ruto alikuwa anaongea juu yake every time akisema nini? Bottom kuinua wale wako chini kuendelea wapeleke juu, sio? Sasa William Ruto na hawa wapinzani wake tofauti yao ni mbili. Moja ako na agenda na alikuwa na manifesto na ana implement hiyo manifesto ya 2027.
Niliamua kutoka mwanzo kwamba nitafanya kazi na rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya Mheshimiwa William Ruto. Na tunafanya kazi na Mheshimiwa William Ruto kwa manufaa ya wananchi walionichagua. Hapa tulipo niseme nisiseme. Mnajua wakati nilikuwa nachaguliwa barabara ya kutoka Kibwezi kwenda Kitui ilikuwa imejengwa, lakini watu wetu wako wamelipwa mashamba yao. Wale walipeana mashamba ya kujenga hiyo barabara. Mimi nikaenda kwa Mheshimiwa Rais William Ruto. Mheshimiwa William Ruto sasa ametoa pesa ya Kenya taslim bilioni 1,800,000, 1.8 billion. Na sasa watu wote nilisema yule ambaye ako na barua ya ofa na hajalipwa akuja na hiyo barua leo anipatie niende nayo Nairobi aekewe pesa kwa account.
Mimi nauliza Mutuse, wacha huyu mtu apply IPC apatiwe awe chairman, sisi tumshinde tu hapo akiwa chairman, ende atatangaza William Ruto ndiye ameshinda uchaguzi. Ni kweli si kweli? Awache kutangatanga, yani aulize kazi, kwa sababu wako impeach hawezi hii ya president na hataki kutangaza mtu. Huyo mtu ashindwe ama asishindwe? Na sisi tunataka awe chairman ndiye atangaze vizuri William Ruto ndiye ameshinda uchaguzi. Ama namna gani? Kama Wakamba wako na William Ruto, kwani William Ruto atashindwa? Na sisi leo hatutaki nusu mnaingia na mtu anaitwa Mutuse.
Nagokwana asomo yomo wa matanga hasense moye bunge ya Muiben county of Uasin Gishu nigo monokodio monene we bunge enene Mheshimiwa Moses Wetangula arokandire kumwegero muraibwense William Ruto asemeroberia yabekire yokone kyabuna uburayobu yankone kiwabore obokorera sama na inchi na boigo amagendro asabori bamenye kuru asense meyo ye county of Uasin Gishu yere county muraibwense kone kya unango mosira bare asentunde yaye yakabere asekeribuna nigo harwandrire amagendro abego kone kyabuna uchumi yense hiyo kwenye yasarikire kokoriere bia.
Lakini rais ameingia, uchumi ulikuwa umesambaratika. Dola wale hapa mnapeleka watoto ng'ambo ilikuwa 170, sasa ni 128. Mbolea sisi tulikuwa tunanunua huko Bungoma 7,500, sasa tunanunua 2,500. Tupatie nguvu rais wetu ili 2027 ikuwe rahisi kuliko 2022. Ndiyo aweze sasa kujenga legacy ya Kenya. Akiacha Kenya 2032 muone tofauti, because great men build great monuments of success for wananchi. Na wale hapa Uasin Gishu walikuwa wanasumbuka na mzee Raila kama rafiki yangu hapa town anaitwa Menjo. Sasa Raila alikuja akaacha nyinyi yote kwa serikali. So tuende hivyo vile aliwaacha, ili tuhakikishe alimleta kwa serikali, akamwacha kwa serikali, mkae kwa serikali. Ni kuwaomba kama jamii ya Wakalenjin, nyinyi ndio foundation ya serikali yetu. Rais amezaliwa hii county, anaishi hii county. muwe kielelezo kwa kila watu wengine.
Nase kaunti ya Vihiga mwancho murigariro mwaziri homonere Musalia Mudavadi mugavana bwe kaunti yo Mheshimiwa Otichilo mwakilisho basubati negati yabarai bande kurwa sensemeyo niko bono bari gandri igatambokero kye serikali koriya kwagacha igeti yechigosori ya kidudu ekyo kirache koira omubaro usekirache gutwara chinguru cyo koimokia omubaro bwa Kenya chiribu 10 Kolengana ni chinkwana cha mwaziro monene nigatebire iganga yo murai bwense no kwaneke getie kyonkwa gachokere indege chikwero bya busibo kwarigania umuyiga omadaraka day mwakoyega.
Na sisi tunashukuru ule uhusiano ambao tumekuwa nao kati ya the county government ya Vihiga kupitia kwa gavana wetu Dr. Wilbur Otichilo na tena kupitia kwa serikali kuu ikiongozwa na Prime Cabinet Secretary kupitia kwa rais na mbunge wetu na wote viongozi wetu wa Vihiga County. Tumefanya kazi pamoja, tumekuwa na mazungumzo mazuri na mwishowe tunaona maendeleo yameanza kuja Vihiga County.
Kushukuru watu wetu wa Kidundu kwa kuitikia mwito, wamepeana mashamba ndio stadium iweze kujengwa. Na ningetumia hii nafasi kuambia watu wetu, wakazi wetu wa Vihiga County, kwa sababu tunataka tuikue kwa Singapore route like other counties. Ukiulizwa kupeana shamba kwa miradi ambazo zinakuja serikali kuu inataka kutengeneza pamoja na serikali ya letu la gatuzi, watu wetu mkue tayari kupeana mashamba so that maendeleo tuyaone Vihiga County.
Ningependa kutoa shukurani kwa niaba ya watu wa Vihiga na serikali ya Vihiga County. Natoa shukurani kwa His Excellency the President Dr. William Samoei Ruto for kujitolea kwake kwamba Vihiga lazima iwe na stadium ya hali ya juu, na yeye mwenyewe amejitokeza kuhakikisha kwamba tunakuwa na stadium.
Tuko hapa kudhibitisha kabisa kwamba Mheshimiwa Rais wa Jamhuri ya Kenya William Samoei Ruto ni yule ambaye anazungumza na anataka kutenda ahadi yake. Na ahadi yake ilikuwa kwamba katika enzi yake ni jukumu tumalize hiyo Kidundu Stadium. Aidha tutakuwa na celebration ya Labor Day ama Madaraka Day hapa Kidundu. Kwa hivyo mnaona hiyo mwaka huu
Wanchumurigaria habo notowikira omwerio gukumanya haya ene kiwa siri tukeriga asemesa ya maya kurwa ensoka sobotuko boiga kwa kirambia muna sogo sanga na intu na wigombia muna sabariki baito pa mangana baina kiabuna yagango ikiranara senchirengia toko gandiro tu arobotuko bia ogendra kwego kya nimero video gendra ta sembeo ya Nsoko TV nchenkuru kwa Clinton Ndigi Brana Chaka na Felistas Kabendi bambo atasekuru studio ya kabera kwene kamera gine chibicha ngo chara senchirengia.